Hi, this time I'm presenting the high temperature camera for use in high temperature furnaces. It can be inserted into the furnace and it will allow to observe what's going on inside the furnace. It can work up to 1800 degrees Celsius. It's water cooled, and here there is a camera port through which you can see what's inside. Here we have thermocouple to measure the temperature, and I have nice tool to try it. Okay, let's fire up. Okay, let's fire up. In the open air. You can see this one glowing. Okay, we have some unexpected things, so we're gonna can we see fire? Yeah, we can see fire. So what we've seen is we've got the thermocouple which catch the temperature up to 1000 degrees, and the camera is still recording, nothing's wrong, it sees all the time, and it just doesn't get hot at all. So it's working great. So the next step will be to put it into the furnace, actual full furnace, and see how, for instance, some metals are melting. Okay, thanks for watching.